The 12th video of basic Chinese course. In this video we will learn about the be form. So the contents for today's video are introduction, characters typing, practice session and vocabulary. Before we start today, I would like to tell you that Chinese language is much more easier and simple than English in some point of view. If you don't believe, don't worry, I'll prove in this video. In English, we have different form of be verbs according to the time. For example, for the past, we have was and were. In the present, we have is, are, am, and for the future, we have will and shall. It's total 7 in number. But in Chinese language, we have only one be form of verb. Don't you think it's a little bit confusing? For example, we use this single form of be verb in any type of sentence. We can't make sure whether this sentence is related to the past, to the present, or to the future. Don't worry, I'll give you an example. So we will take an example. This is the present time sentence, present tense, and this is past time. So for example, we will translate it in Chinese. I am a teacher. I mean 我. M is the be form 我是. 一名 A, it's like singular. Okay, I am a teacher. So for this A, we will use 一名, and teacher we have learned it's 老师. Okay, 老师. Okay, 我是一名老师. I am, for example. So for now we don't have to do anything with this. Okay, so like for example, we will concentrate on these three words. 我 I am teacher. 我是老师. 我是老师. Okay, but for the past time we will still use the same words. 我是 okay, this 一名老师. Okay, I was 我是老师. Okay, teacher 老师. Okay, but for example, if you see 我是老师, it's like the same. You know, we can't make it sure that whether this sentence is related to the past time or to the present time, or maybe we can't find any difference in these both videos. So here let me tell you that there is a special word we use which can make sure that whether this sentence is related to the past time or to the future. For the past time we use 以前 mean before, formerly, and for the future we use 以后. Okay, so now we will use this word in this sentence. Okay, 我, but it will come here. Okay, not here. So 我以前 okay, 我以前是老师. 我以前是老师. So this word, okay, this word 以前, it shows like this act is done previously or formerly or ago, before. Okay, and for the future we can use 以后. Okay, 以后 is like will and shall. Oh, sorry, it's after, and this one is before. So for the present sentences we won't have these two words. Okay, it will be like simple. 我是老师, I am teacher, I am a father, I am a son, I am a doctor. 我是 it's like the be form of verb. So I've told you that in English we have like 7 form of be verbs: was, were, is, are, am, will and shall. But in Chinese we have only one. Okay, in English we have 7 form of be verb, but there's only one in Chinese. So for example, you see any type of Chinese sentence, if that sentence doesn't have this 以前 word or 以后 word, so it means like this sentence belongs to the present time. Or if you see the 以前 word in that sentence, you can simply think that this video belongs to the past time. Or maybe if you see 以后 this character, this pinyin, so you can think that this video belongs to the future time. I am a teacher. 我是一名老师. Okay, I was a teacher. 我以前是一名老师. Okay, 以前, 以后, 以前, 以后. Okay, so the single form of be verb in Chinese is 是 shi, okay? So this shi is like, you can use it in every type of sentence, no matter it belongs to the present time or maybe to the past time or to the future. The only one be form of word used in Chinese, okay? I am a teacher, 我是老师. I was a teacher, 我以前是以前 I go in before, 我以前是一名老师, okay? So for example, you speak sentences, you use sentence I am, he is. With everyone, we can just simply use this 是. I am, 我是, you are, 你是, he is, 他是, she is, 她是, we are, okay? For is, rm, will, shall, and was, and were. No matter which one, we just use the only be form of word in Chinese, 是, okay? You are, we are, they are, 我们是, 你们是, 他们是, is, rm. For everyone, for each one, we just use the only one be form of word in Chinese, okay? I am teacher, 我是老师, 我是老师, okay? I was a teacher before, 我以前是老师. Or maybe for the future we can say, 我以后要做老师, 我以后要做老师, okay? So that's all for today. Now comes to the characters typing session. 我是医生, I am doctor. 我是医生, 我是医生, 我是医生. 你是老师, you are teacher. 你是老师, 你是老师. 他们是学生, they are students. 他们, in here I will use character for men. 他们是学生, they are students. 他们是学生. 她是我的妹妹. Now I'm talking about girl, so 她, in here I will choose a character for girl, which is number 2. Number 1 is used for men, so now I'll choose character number 2. 她是我的妹妹, she is my younger sister. 她是我的妹妹, 她是我的妹妹, 他是我的爸爸. Now I'm talking about male, so I will choose character number 2, which is used for men. 他是我的爸爸, he is my father. 他是我的爸爸. Okay, let's review. 我是医生, 你是老师, 他们是学生, 她是我的妹妹, 他是我的爸爸. So now comes to the conversation session. 我是老师，
老师好，我是学生，
学生好。我是医生，
医生好，
我以前是老师，
我以前是学生。
So today's vocabulary are 老师，老师 means teacher, 老师，学生。学生 means student, 学生。医生，医生 means doctor, 医生。爸爸，爸爸 means father, 爸爸。妹妹，妹妹 means younger sister, 妹妹。师，师 means be form of verb, is, rm, 师。是以前，以前 means before, ago. 以前，以后，以后 means after. 以后。This channel is actually for learning basic Chinese and preparation for HSK levels. If you are a beginner and want to learn Chinese for free, so please join us by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon that you won't miss any updates in the future.